Top of the day, Midwest gang. Feels like it's been a little minute, but I don't think it's really been that long, man. But either way it goes, man, if you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, like and comment as well if you do enjoy my content. Over the past year, I've dropped over 30 videos, so check them out, man. I got a lot on the CFMoto. Beautiful, beautiful bike. I've had it for about a year now. So I've been thinking about it. I've been searching for other bikes just to see what's coming out in the next year. Hopefully 2026 is a great year for new bikes. Unfortunately, I know I'll have to move on from this bike for my excitement. So I am going to embrace every single ride from here on out for this summertime, man. Especially with how the weather is these days. You know what I'm saying? It's summer now, but once fall comes, it might go straight to winter, to be honest, bro. So we're going to embrace it. We're going to enjoy every ride, man. But yeah, I'm going to get on this road, fellas, and I'm going to catch y'all boys there. I'm going to turn these tunes on and lock in, man.
Ain't shit free till they free all the guys. I done said it a lot, and it ain't the last time. I want her to be more ball, I don't care if she tall like a tree, that whore get climbed. Got a couple comments, nigga, hashtag blessed. Now these hoes on my dick, cause I'm fly like a jet. They gon' be surprised when they see I made this beat, baby Chief went Kanye West. As long as the hoe outside with this shit, never see home. 26 club in this wild, we all beat the odds. How that shit unknown.
I could get stand-up wheelies up from this angle, bro, that shit'd be crazy, bro. I'll be watching Fast Flow's point of views, and he be standing that bitch up high. So I couldn't imagine doing that, bro, going 70, 80 miles an hour, bro, and then just having the skill to hold it, to be calm, to not panic, bro. Like, that shit is a real skill. As easy as them boys make it look, that shit not easy, bro. You get on two wheels and you understand that they're on leader bikes, so they got more weight, but they be pulling them bitches up like crazy, like easy, like shit. This has ABS and it doesn't have enough power to begin with to be like power wheeling anyway. I have clutched it up, but like I haven't got nowhere near like stand tall height, and that might just be due to the bike, to be honest. But I'm gonna definitely precautiously practice on my next bike, whether it's a 600 or a liter bike. We gotta get it down eventually, bro. I know it takes time. I know a lot of people have been riding for years, bro, but I'm all about aura farming, if I'm being honest with you. Like, I'm all about getting the good visuals, the 4K videos, and it's looking good while you ride your bike, bro. Like, my athletes can relate to this, but like if you playing basketball, you playing football, you want to make sure you got some fresh kicks on and accessories as well. So like, I kind of carry that into all aspects of my life, even this normal clothes that I wear. Even going to work, I'm gonna have some calm shit on, but it's gonna look good and I'm gonna feel good in it. Same thing with my bike. If I'm gonna ride this bit, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna pull up. I'm pulling up in style. I'm pulling up with aura, regardless. Like, regardless if I try or not, like, I'm pulling up with aura, bro. But I do want to aura farm, especially when I get some rollers, bro. We gonna be aura farming, bro. I ain't gonna lie. But Midwest gang, I hope you enjoyed this quick ride. No pun intended, man. Like I said, man, if you enjoyed, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, bro. And I'm gonna catch you boys on the next one. Peace.